Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do a Thirdlove unboxing. I recently just went on Thirdlove and got 2 bras because I am in dire need of some bras that fit me good, because after I had kids, my boobs don't fit in bras like they used to. So Thirdlove says that they work great for that. Like if your boobs are different sizes, or if they're like more saggy or whatever it is, Thirdlove claims to make really good comfort like filled bras. So hey, I'm gonna try them out. They are a little bit on the pricey side, so they, most likely are gonna be awesome. And if not, then I will let you guys know, because I will be doing a review after I've tried them out and have a conclusion on Thirdlove bras for myself. So let's do this. Let's unbox my Thirdlove bras. So this is what the box looks like. It's just like a little regular box with their Thirdlove logo on it. And then on the other sides, it's like cool Aztec-y looking designs. Here we go. Whoa, stuff's falling out. It has tissue paper. It says, Thirdlove, the best bra is one you never think about. You know what? I agree with that. So let's see what these beauties look like. And then it came with a little postcard giving you info on how to wash your bra and caring for your bra. They fit me. I took their like Thirdlove bra quiz to find my size, because after kids my boobs literally like hurt in my other size, my old size. My old size was a 36C, and the straps were falling off my shoulders and the underwire was like jabbing into my ribs, and my bra was like loose in places and then not loose in other places. I don't know, craziness. But I nursed both my girls. They're now 2 and 4. I literally nursed my 2-year-old until she was basically like 2 and a couple weeks. So I have not had my regular boobs back for that long, but now that I have them back, they're not fitting in my bras. So hence Thirdlove right here. Let's open these babies up. Ooh! So it's packaged, has a little sticker with the Aztec-y like symbol on it. Beautiful. So these are supposed to be like memory foam, very soft, like you don't know you have a bra on. That sounds amazing. I hope that is true. So these are the 2 I got. Let's get them out. I'll show you the basic one first. So this is the first one that I picked out. I just got like their basic 24/7 everyday bra, t-shirt bra I think it was called, and they sized me as 34.5C, so my band size was changed to 34.5, and I'm still a C according to their quiz. So we will see. That was corny, but I had to say it. But yeah, so this one is really pretty actually. I just picked a nude color because every girl needs a nude bra for those shirts, you know what I mean? It has a really pretty detailing on the band, on the straps. So I liked that. I gave it some like pizzazz, and oh, these feel like really nice. Like I'm really excited to try these on, and they look great. Very high quality feeling, definitely. They are not padded bras, they're just regular like t-shirt bras with memory foam, very soft, like super soft, super silky. Yeah, so this is a 34C and a half. That's how you say it. Okay, I think I said it kind of backwards. But that is my size according to Thirdlove, and I'm hoping that it's true. because these are $65, or these might have been, yeah, this is, I think it was 65. But you know, that's a little on the pricey side, like I said, but it is worth it if it fits my new boobs after kids, because they change, you know what I mean? It's just real life. Yeah, so, you know, it's totally worth it too. I'm not complaining at all. I'm super confident in my new boobs, or whatever you call them, mom boobs. Definitely worth it after having my beautiful little angels. Just saying that my boobs are different than they were before kids. But obviously that's gonna happen if you nurse kids for like 4 years. This is the beautiful bra I picked out. This is like a dusty mauve-y purple, and it's romantic. I had to get a romantic-y, like, gorgeous one, because that's just my personality. I just like pretty things and fancier looks. So this is gorgeous. This is like their everyday bra as well. I think it's like their 24/7 everyday bra, but it has like the lace on the strap, which is gorgeous, and it feels really nice. Like, this bra feels so nice. I can't wait to get in these, guys. I can't wait. And this one has really pretty detailing, like Thirdlove symbol, which reminds me of like Aztecs, but I don't know if that's what they're going for. But that's what it reminds me of, and it's gold, and the straps are nice feeling. Everything's really silky, like silky and comfy, and makes me want to get in this and see if it works, and I can't wait to, and then I'll tell you guys how Thirdlove works for Sarah Braxton. So yeah, I got the beautiful 24/7 with the lace back strap, the lace on the front, and the pretty detailing, and then just the 24/7 like everyday bra that they recommend you get. So that is that one, and I got that in nude, and I think they actually have a couple nude colors. I got like the not the lightest nude, but the next nude, and I think they have like a darker nude as well, which is cool, because like, what is nude? If you are, you know, super fair, your nude is gonna be like way lighter, and if you're, you know, medium skin or dark skin, so that's great. They have different nudes. I like that about them. So that is my beautiful Thirdlove presentation, and I thought it was a great presentation too, like the tissue paper like Victoria's Secret, and the pretty pink inside of the box, and they just made the experience nice. I'm a packaging girl, definitely, which, you know, that's just probably my fancy side, that I like things to look good. I like things to look pretty, and definitely draws me in if your packaging is nice. So thank you, Thirdlove, for making your packaging great. Yeah, so that is my Thirdlove unboxing. If you like this video or videos like this, give it a thumbs up. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, please do, because I have lots of things planned, and put a smile on your face, because life is good, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.